When you need to share information with just a quick scan, creating a QR code right inside Microsoft Word can save you time. In this video, you'll see how to generate a QR code in Microsoft Word without using any add-in. In previous videos, we've shown you how to create a QR code using a free add-in in Word, but today, we're going to do it in a different way. Let's say you have a website URL, and you want anyone who scans your QR code to be redirected to that website. For this, we're going to use a little-known Microsoft Word field code trick that will help us to generate and display barcodes for our information directly inside a document. So, type display barcode, followed by a space, then 2 double quotation marks. Inside these double quotes is where you'll enter the text or information you want to encode. After that, add a space, then type QR. This simply tells Word what type of barcode you want. In this case, a QR code. Now add another space and type \Q3. This part sets your QR code's error correction level to high, which basically means your QR code will still be readable even if part of it gets damaged, smudged, or covered. Now go ahead and add your own information between these quotation marks. For me, will be a YouTube channel URL. Just make sure there are no extra spaces between the quotation marks and your information. Once you're done, select Entire Command, then press Ctrl plus F9 on your keyboard. Then, right-click on it and choose Toggle Field Codes option. Word will generate a QR code for your website. From this point, anyone who scans the QR code with a scanner app will be taken directly to my YouTube channel, which is pretty convenient. When you have more detailed information, I recommend using this method instead. Press Ctrl plus F9, then inside field braces, type the same Microsoft Word command we used earlier. Then add your information inside double quotes, just like before. When everything is ready, select Entire Field, right-click on it, and choose Toggle Field Codes option. And Microsoft Word will generate a QR code containing information for you. If you need to update the information inside QR code, simply right-click on it and choose Toggle Field Codes option. And from there, edit your information, then right-click on it and select Toggle Field Codes option again. Your QR code will be updated automatically. If you need to save your QR code as an image, you can use the built-in snipping tool. Simply capture QR code inside Microsoft Word, then save screenshot as an image file on your computer. And that's how you can generate a QR code directly inside Microsoft Word without using any add-in. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.